Hey guys, here's John from Motionist.Studio, and in this video I'm gonna introduce UI Magnifier to you. There's been lots of requests regarding the fonts and size of panels inside After Effects Premiere Pro, and I'm gonna introduce it to you. What it does is, right after you open the panel, the first time you run in the extension inside your software, especially in macOS, you need to grant some permission to the extension to work healthy. So I'm applying it and hit later, because the extension only works inside After Effects environment. That's why you cannot see the setting panel being magnified. So I'm gonna turn off the magnifier in order to be able to give some permission to my softwares, and then he will get the controller for the display scale. You can increase it and then hit apply, and instantly you can see the DPI, the screen that you're running After Effects on, will change, so you can see larger phones and larger panels. And definitely you can restart it to the default size. And another cool feature, which we thought it could be useful for whoever records tutorial, whoever wants to have more real estate inside the After Effects but still see the controllers larger, is the magnifier, which is basically a circle which gonna magnify around your cursor. And as you can see, still my cursor is working, and here you're able to change the shortcut, which is Control-Z in this case, and I can turn it off and turn it on in any place that I need. And the cool thing about it, this panel works in After Effects as well as Premiere Pro. You can find it if you go to extension. UI Magnifier works exactly same inside Premiere Pro as well as Adobe Illustrator. You can find it because this is a pipeline that most of motion graphic designers use. I thought would be useful to have it in all of the softwares, and it's all dockable panel, of course. Even inside Illustrator you can have it docked in, so you won't take much of your space inside the softwares. And the cool thing about it, it does works in Windows and Mac software, so no limitation in any platforms you should see. So this is a free plugin, and you can find it. And the last thing about it is there is a small Motionist logo at the end. Here you can see it with the notification. You will, by clicking on that, you will always get directed to Motionist page and get update on the latest products that we are offering. The AI assistant is offered for free download, 10 free prompts per day. Download it for free and try it. Thank you for your attention and watching. I hope UI Magnifier would be a useful extension for you. Let me know what you think about it and down in the comments.